Requirements of nuclear ships as per SOLAS Chapter 8. The International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS. Chapter 8 specifically addresses the requirements for nuclear ships, establishing a framework to ensure their safe design, construction, operation, and decommissioning. This chapter is crucial for mitigating the unique risks associated with nuclear propulsion and ensuring safety for crew, passengers, and the environment. This chapter emphasizes adherence to international standards set forth by organizations such as the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA. SOLAS Chapter 8 consists of 11 regulations that cover various aspects related to nuclear ships. Safety assessment. A thorough safety assessment must be conducted that evaluates risks associated with a nuclear power plant throughout its life cycle, design, construction, operation, and decommissioning. This assessment must be updated regularly and made available to contracting governments prior to port entry. Radiation safety measures. Regulations mandate that operators implement effective radiation safety measures to protect crew members, passengers, and the environment from radioactive hazards. This includes monitoring radiation levels in various areas of the ship and maintaining them within acceptable limits. Operating manual. An operating manual must be developed and kept current, detailing procedures for safe operation under both normal and emergency conditions. This manual is essential for training personnel and ensuring adherence to safety protocols. Surveys and certifications. Nuclear ships are subject to rigorous surveys conducted by recognized authorities to verify compliance with SOLAS requirements. Upon successful inspection, a nuclear passenger ship safety certificate or a nuclear cargo ship safety certificate is issued. These certificates confirm compliance with all relevant regulations. Shipboard documents required. Nuclear Safety Assessment Report, a detailed report evaluating safety measures implemented on board. Operating manual. Comprehensive guidelines for operating the ship's systems safely. Radiation safety plan. Documentation outlining measures taken to monitor and control radiation exposure. Maintenance records. Logs detailing maintenance activities performed on nuclear systems and equipment. Inspection certificates. Certificates from recognized authorities confirming compliance with safety standards. Thank you for watching the video. For more marine topics, please subscribe CFIX channel. Please help us with your valuable feedback to improve the contents.